So I'm trying to mend this axe. I'll just show you the picture. That steel I put, I hammered that in, but it's still coming loose. It's not going the way I wanted it. As you can see, I've painted that on the ends, on here and on the other side, and get that sharp. But it's still coming loose, so I need to work on that, but it's still fun to try it out and be careful at the same time. Yeah, so I'll let you know what's going to happen with this. I maybe have to get a new shaft for it. I don't know, but if you've got any tips and like that, please let us know. Catch you later. Cheery.